Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer.
Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here again. As I said before, we have something that's going to save you a ton of money. You can thank us later. Julio came up with this. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez Felix Miguel. That's what he wants, so that's what he gets. I'm going to share with you how to save yourself a ton of money. I know that many of you buy 303. We're not being paid to share this video with you at all, and I just have to bring this up so that you can put some money back in your pocket. Most of you are buying 303 and going broke from doing it, especially if you have a lot of tires. If you have a lot of tires, you're going broke with this right here. I've seen it up to $80. It averages about $60 to $70 for 1 gallon. You don't have to use this anymore. All you have to do is get yourself a gallon of water. Take out about 12 ounces out of a jug. This is an old milk jug. Another savings. You'll take a bottle of this stuff right here and you'll tip it up and squeeze the whole thing into it. And you can let it set for a few minutes till it all drains out of there. This is $20, $60, $40 difference. We take a little bit of water, we add it to the bottle, clean your tires really well, then spray this on. And that'll keep your tires from any problems with UV checking. It dries in a matte color, so it's not real shiny. If you want it real shiny, just use this stuff full strength on a rag or a towel. So we're going to shake that water up in there to get all that out. You may have to do it a couple of times. And I could actually do it again, but for the video I'm not going to. Now we're going to top that off with some more distilled water. Again, you don't have to use distilled water. Leave about 1 inch from the top so that you have an air pocket to shake this up. There you go. 303, homemade 303. 20 bucks, 60 bucks plus. 20 bucks, 60 bucks plus. Now I can take and fill my bottle up here with it. Share this video, friends and folks and all our great subscribers. Share it, because there's no sense spending $60 to $80 for this when this will do the job as good or better. And it's all we're using now, and the customers are happy and they love it, and we don't have to worry about dry rot, weather checking, or anything that's rubber, vinyl, leather. This works on all of it. Julio hit the jackpot on this again. Also, check out Mr. Know-It-All. We found some really good cameras that you will love. Very small, no wires, no solar panel, no nothing. A great app that runs them. We're not being paid to share that one either. We're trying to, with these times being so hard and the economy being such a pain in the butt right now. But here you go. $40 savings from this to this. Try it. You're going to love it, and you can thank us later. I'm telling you, I can't stress this enough. It is so important to save as many bucks as you can these days. Sweet Project Cars, out.